Welcome to Bubbie's Kitchen, sponsored by Johnny Pomodoros. I'm Joshua Goldberg, and I'm here today with DeDe from West Bloomfield, Michigan. DeDe, how are you?
I'm good. How are you, Josh?
I'm doing great. It's a beautiful day out. I'm so excited to be here with you.
Good. Are you ready to cook?
I am so ready to cook, and we're making Mandelbrot, Mandel bread. What's the difference?
What did your grandmother call it? That's the difference.
There you go. Same thing. Let's get to it.
I can't cook without an apron. Do you like wearing an apron?
I'm down with an apron. Oh,
Here you go.
oh my gosh. Wow.
All right.
All right.
It says,
So I'm
thanks to Ink from for the People. That's how you got it.
amazing.
Okay? Okay. So I need your help. Everything's measured out, but I'm going to need your help. The first thing we're going to do with this recipe is we're going to start with oil and sugar. That's 1 cup of oil to 1 cup of sugar.
It's a lot of sugar.
Okay. It's a lot of Mandel.
That's right. That's right.
We're now going to put in 3 eggs,
Wow.
which I cracked separately for a specific reason.
Well, first of all, these are beautiful yolks. Look at the color.
First of all, they are organic, and that's why they're so deep in color. I cracked them separately because I'm looking for blood.
Do tell.
I'm looking for blood because according to kashrut, we do not eat eggs that have blood in them because they could be the start of an embryo. So we want it to mix really good each time.
So should we wait till each one is mixed, or should I just proceed to pour them in?
No, wait, okay, now do the next one.
Okay.
Wait till it's mixed in.
Number 2.
Yeah. All right, so you want a teaspoon of vanilla.
Okay. All right.
Okay.
In it goes. And we're making Mandelbrot here. Correct me if I'm wrong. This is your mom's recipe.
This is my mother's recipe.
Kind of.
Enhanced.
Enhanced, right.
Right.
So you grew up eating Mandelbrot that your grandma had made, your grandmother had made, and that was a different recipe, right?
Yeah, that's an interesting story. My grandmother came here when she was about 15 years old, and she in Russia was a baker. And so she was very talented. I mean, I remember one Friday night coming to her house and seeing these beautiful onion rolls and asking her what bakery she bought them in, and she said, I made them.
Wow.
So now we have the wet ingredients, we're going to add the dry ingredients. And so that it doesn't get sort of fluffy looking, we're going to put in a little bit at a time.
Amazing.
Okay. Watch the beater. See what I mean?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah.
We'll go all in.
Okay.
We're going all in.
Okay, here you go.
Okay.
You do that. Keep going.
This is simple.
Yeah. Okay, what's in the dry ingredients is the flour, the baking soda, and the baking powder.
This is
It's the secret ingredient.
This is a secret ingredient. Thanks to the kind apartment resident who used to invite you over for tea and Mandelbrot,
Right.
which was only happening because you were the realtor who was converting these places from apartments to condos.
Right.
And now Goldie's recipe becomes DeDe's recipe.
But I want to keep my mother's name.
It's Goldie's recipe with enhancements, is
Yes,
what you
with
call it, right?
enhancements. So, last ingredients. A cup of sliced almonds, 1/4 cup of the bit of bricks, and how many? It's at least a cup of the mini chocolate chips. Okay?
This looks like a good looking bowl.
There you go. So now you're gonna,
Lock and turn on.
yeah, slowly, because you don't want anything flying out. Okay?
So we're done with the mixer,
Right?
and now we've got cookie sheets.
Well, we've let this sit for 15
Right.
minutes, right? Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is, and we're going to spray these sheets, okay? Okay,
Spraying up. How's my spray?
yeah, you missed that corner.
Oh,
Okay, fine.
okay.
All right.
Don't overspray. Don't overspray.
I need to take this and divide it into 4 sections because we're going to make 4 loaves. So what we're gonna do, I'll do my side and you can do yours. We're gonna scoop this just like this for the time being.
So half is going on.
Yeah, but we needed to divide it out. Okay, so now we're gonna take a little bit of flour on our hands because it's gonna be sticky.
The hand flour we were discussing.
Yeah. Okay, and see what I'm doing, Josh?
I do.
Okay, so we want it to be longer than this. Let's see how yours looks.
Mine are coming along. Well,
can you make it longer?
Absolutely.
No, this way.
Okay.
Pat it down.
Got it.
Okay.
Okay.
All right, so now we're ready to put these in the oven.
So DeDe, you're putting yours in the oven. I'm gonna put mine in the oven. We're gonna bake these, but first, a word from our sponsor, Johnny Pomodoros.
Welcome to Johnny Pomodoros. Hi, I'm Dan, and I invite you to shop local and fresh. Give us the opportunity to earn your business. Johnny Pomodoros, your neighborhood store.
So okay, we're ready to cut these into the bars, but we want them to be straight. So we're gonna take off the ends, okay? And you know what we do with the ends, right?
We eat them.
Yes, we do. Okay, do your top ends too. So now we have nice square, right?
You got it.
Okay, I like them to be, I don't know, would you say that's like 3/4 of an inch or something?
Yeah, that looks about right.
You really want to watch the 5 minutes because see, I've already broken some. Okay. Okay, then what you do is,
Should I?
of course, then you're going to be turning them over because we're going to sprinkle the sides. Sort of eye it and make a sugar cinnamon combination.
All right.
And I'll do this for you, and then you can do it. Just go like that.
Perfect. Now, DeDe, how much sugar and cinnamon do we want on these?
Just sprinkle down the
Okay.
line.
A couple sprinkles.
Yeah.
So the Mandelbrot are done. They look great. They smell great. They taste great. And we're also here right now with just a small part of DeDe's incredible tin collection. Beautiful tins like this, and really each one of these is unique and has its own story.
Right. This one is obviously from Paris, and it was brought to me by my girlfriend, Rabbi Sivan Mas, on her way here from Israel. And this way I will send her mandel bread back, maybe in a bigger tin than this, but I always think of her when I do pack this one.
So beautiful. That's beautiful.
So we're going to pack in this one. So this we're going to just carefully put in here.
Okay.
And the rule is if I give you a tin, you bring back the tin and I fill it up again.
Well, really?
Yeah.
You got tins coming and going.
Oh yeah, sometimes I forget what the tin is until I see it again. They're out, right. So,
It's like the lending library of Mandelbrot tins.
Exactly.
All right.
We want to turn these now
Okay,
because
so
they might break.
I gotcha. So we're gonna turn
Turn
them
it
this way?
flat.
Oh, flat. Okay.
And now we're done.
Wow.
We can close it up, and this tin is ready to be given as a gift
Wow. How beautiful.
to you.
Oh my gosh. I am so looking forward to eating all of these Mandelbrot. This is incredible.
Thanks for joining us today, and be sure to check out the next Bubbie's Kitchen, always available at thejewishnews.com.